State your name. Can my dog stay? Fine, but keep him quiet. Now tell us what you witnessed on the night of June 3rd.
It was a pretty standard night.
Skinny dipping in the lake.
It's always so quiet at night.
Where were you?
In the gas station.
On the beach.
I was at the laundromat.
At the roof of the bowling alley.
It's so nice this time of year.
But that's when I saw them.
They came from the woods.
Walked right out of the ocean. I don't know how, but suddenly they were everywhere.
Biggest damn people I've ever seen in my life.
Beings of some kind. Taller than any building in town.
Can I get some water? No.
I was horrified.
One of them stepped over my house.
And then, well, they were just gone.
I guess they were just passing through.
What are people saying?
I haven't seen anything about this on the news.
Did anyone else see anything?